Hi gardening friends, we're back in the basement. Time to get ready for some more seedlings. So today we're gonna attempt to set up for sweet potato slips. So unlike potatoes, where you take the whole potato and you put it in the ground and you get your potato plants, for sweet potatoes you need to grow slips, little seedlings to put in the ground in order to get your sweet potatoes. You could put this whole sweet potato in the ground, but like in Michigan, where we have a very short growing season, we wouldn't have enough days of warm, sunny weather in order for it to go through its whole life cycle and give us sweet potatoes. So we need to get a head start. So I bought from the grocery store a bag of organic sweet potatoes. I chose organic because I did a little research, flew around the internet a bit, and it seems that the non-organic sweet potatoes are sprayed with something so that they won't start sprouting in the grocery store. And so you are less likely to be able to get them to root and shoot off shoots that you can then root and plant in the ground. So I went with the organic. We have 2 trays of our fun potting mix. I used the same potting mix that I used in my last video, just the Miracle-Gro, and I got it nice and damp. So it's all set. What we're gonna do is take our sweet potato and we're just gonna give them a nice little home nested in the dirt. I'm gonna keep this nice and wet and keep it covered so it's dark and damp until the roots form and it starts throwing up shoots. Now, in my research flowing through the internet, I also found out that heat mats can help you move the process along because sweet potatoes like hot, humid weather, and so you kind of imitate that with the heat mat. So I'm going to fill my 2 pans with some sweet potatoes, and then I will be right back. Let's see how many sweet potatoes we can fit in here. We're just gonna nest them right in. Giving them the most surface area possible to root and put up shoots. And then switch. Now we're only trying to cover the bottom of the sweet potato with the dirt. The shoots are going to start coming up on the top. They'll come right out of the potato. Okay, that's all we have room for. So I guess the rest of this bag of sweet potatoes is going to become dinner. Now that we have everything all nice and in our pans, ready to sprout, we are going to place it on the shelf on this nice heat pad. We're going to stick the 2 new ones in. And then this are the sweet potatoes that I put in at the beginning of March. They're not doing much. I looked and there's a couple roots here and there. So it's basically an experiment. We're gonna say non-organic versus organic and see what happens. We're gonna continue to keep everything nice and wet. And I'm using this nice lid from a tote that I had in my basement to cover them up and keep them dark. Well, we're gonna cover these 2 with this lid and we'll find something else for this one. So 2 on the heat mats, 1 on without. We're gonna see which ones work better. And then once the shoots start shooting up, then I'll turn the lights on and give them the sunlight they need and deserve. I will do an update video once we've got things progressing. Until then, if you want to continue on this fun 2024 gardening journey with me, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, because that's what we do here on Garden Avenue. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel.